In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the colour of bullet points here in Canva. So, I have these bullet points just here, and what we're going to do is have the text separate colours to the bullet points. Now, there's a certain way that we have to do this. First, we have to change the whole lot to whatever colour that it is that we want the bullet points to be. So what we're going to do is click onto the text, come up to the colours, and for this example, let's go with yellow bullet points. So we're going to click on the colours just here, and now we can see all of this has been changed. But to have the bullet points separate colour from the actual words, we have to then highlight the words individually like this, and then we can choose black or whichever colour that we want. But we're going to go through all of these words just like that to change the colour. Now on the third one, or the last one, if you try and do this, is going to change that bullet point colour to whatever colour we choose here. So if we choose black, we can see it's changed this bullet point, and we don't want that. So to get past this, we're just going to click enter to add one new bullet point. Then we're going to highlight bullet again, or the words that you have, click on the colour, remove this one, and now we have separate coloured bullet points to our words. So that's how to change the colour of bullet points here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.